Do you have a question?
I do, yes. So where does the O layer come from?
Okay, so the O layer is here, right? And the O layer isn't meaning that you have to go through this large amount of time to get to it. What the O layer is an optional soil layer that's always on the surface, and it's not derived from rocks. So in this case, we do have the A layer, which is our topsoil, and it's mixed with material that's eroded from rocks. So it's organic material that's mixed. But typically, a topsoil layer is only going to be 5% organics. Something like that is sort of the regarded definition. An O layer is entirely organic. It's like peat almost. So if you have a really black soil that's got a super strong smell, and as you're feeling it, you see that there's actually not any other materials. There's no micas or quartz or anything like that in it. Then that's going to be defined as your O layer. So it's a different thing than even your topsoil, and it's not common because it takes a special type of environment. As I said, it needs to be sort of an anoxic environment where you're not having this material just weather away to nothing. It has to be sort of in a low area, in a marshy area where it's not washing away. There's several factors that need to be there.
Okay.
But
and also, does the O layer have to be on an older soil, or can it appear like a T1 or T2?
It can appear at any of these times. Yeah, that's right. And because it's not regulated by how much weathering the rock has had. So technically, you could have an O layer appear on top of rock, but it would be a strange situation because you would have to have a low area that the rock hasn't been weathered, and yet you've had this organic layer pop on top of. So it's not likely. The place that you see organic layers is typically in bogs, marshes, anywhere that you've got an anoxic environment and you have a lot of plant material. Do you have any questions?
Well, yeah, I was wondering, I guess an O layer would be found like in a rainforest or something like that, like in the Amazon where there's a lot of vegetation. That's what you're saying?
Absolutely.
Okay.
And what we're going to do now is go out and see some areas where the O layer is formed and then some where it's not.